Hello, my name is Juan.
I'm Ralf. We want to show today how all Vega sensors can be operated with a laptop, wireless, convenient and very quickly.
Now we are on the weir. On the other side of the river there is a sensor which measures the level. Inside the sensor is a new display and adjustment module, the so-called Plicscom, with Bluetooth. With this Bluetooth Plicscom you can now operate with the laptop very easy, convenient and very quickly.
We want now to connect wireless to the sensor. Therefore, I connect with packtware. Due to security reasons, I need to include a pin. Now we have connection with the sensor. So we can now choose the application, which is right. We can next show the min-max adjustment. Here, as an example, we can change the distance, the min adjust to 3 meters. I apply. With packtware and the DTM you have the full access to all the data. So let's have a look on diagnostic. A short view to the echo curve, which you already see. Looks good. Full access is possible to the sensor with packtware.
For this wireless operation with the laptop you need two things: the Plicscom with Bluetooth and the Bluetooth USB adapter. Is it possible that I can upgrade sensors in the field with the new Plicscom?
This is pretty easy. You simply have to take the device, switch off the Plicscom, put on the new Plicscom on the sensor, and then you have the full access on all this new thing. And not only for this special sensor, you can do that with all the sensors which Vega has put in the market since 2002, and all without sensor update.
Plicscom with Bluetooth, wireless operation with the laptop. Perfect, easy, convenient and fast.